In southwest Scotland, this is a normal morning. Mud on our boots, cows that need help, and cold in the air. I'm Graham Parker, but most people know me as the Hoof GP.
I trim cows' feet for a living, and it may not be the most glamorous job in the world,
But it really needs to be done. I started with just one customer, one farm, one grinder and one set of knives. But over time, my business grew. If you do a good job, work hard enough and long enough, things begin to grow. And that's exactly what happened for me. And then one day, I picked up a camera, not really expecting much, but things really grew from there. And now millions and millions of people watch what we do right around the world. Work vehicles, family cars, and a few toys along the way. As my life and business have grown, so have my needs.
and that's where ERS, the specialist motor insurer, have really helped.
For me, everything is about balance. When I'm at work, I work as hard as I possibly can. I'm focused, I'm committed, I'm completely present in the job that I genuinely love doing. I get lost in the work that's in front of me. It calms me, it steadies me, it's routine, and for me, that is a really good thing. But when the cows are done and we head home, that's when I truly feel like I can break free. My work gives me discipline, and the rest of my world gives me expansion. I challenge myself every single day to chase the dreams that I've always had, to chase the things that I truly love. And at the end of it all I really want to do is to be able to relax, with the peace of mind that in everything I do, I've given everything I had. And in doing so, I've moved one step closer to the life I've been chasing.